Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming example for beginners and professional video series. So in this video, we are going to see how to find the longest word in the given sentence. Let's see the code, how to implement this program in Python. I'll take a new file. So in this program, I have to read one sentence. I'll take variable called message. I'll read one sentence. There is a method called split in Python, which will split the string into list, based on the separator. So the default separator is a blank space, that is a white space. So based on that, it will split our string and it will give you in the form of a list. I will call the split method with the sentence, and this will return me the list that I'll store it in a variable. Some variable I'll make use. I'll store it in that variable. For example, I'll use list one. So my list is there in list one now. If you want, you can print that list. Say print list one. Let us see this output, then we will proceed further. I'll click on save. I'll save with some name. I'll run this program. Now I'll enter some sentence. Say hello, welcome to Bangalore. Now you can see the output here. We enter the sentence and we pass this sentence to the split method. Our split method is giving the list. Now this list I'll pass to the max method. We got the list. In this list, we have to find out which word has a maximum length. For that, I'll make use of a method called max with the argument key is equal to length. Along with this, I will pass my list to it. So list1, this is my list. I am passing to max method. The argument here is key is equal to length. This function obtains the string with maximum length, and then we can store it into a variable so that we can pass to the length function to find out the maximum length. The return value, I'll store it in a variable called mx. Now I will print this. The longest word is print the longest word is comma mx. Now if you want to print the length of it, you just pass this mx to length function. We have an inbuilt function called length. Find the length of longest word is comma len and pass mx to that. That's it. Now save it, run and see. Yeah, no error. I'll just type here some message. Hello, welcome to IK tutorial Bangalore. I'll press enter. Now see here, whatever we entered, our split method converted into list. So in this list, our max method is found. Bangalore is the longest word and its length is 9. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dear friends, I hope you understood this program. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.